In this video, I will demonstrate how to disable all comments on a WordPress site using a third-party plugin. So first we'll log into WordPress dashboard and then hover on plugins and click add new. Then in the search, type disable comments. And you should look for the following plugin. It's by WP Developer. Then go ahead and install it and activate it. And once that's done, go to settings and then look for disable comments. And once the plugin loads, right at the top, you'll see the setting basically to disable comments everywhere. Select it and then press save. So right now, if you notice on the site, the comment section will be not available. And in fact, if you go to your dashboard and click on the comments, this section also will be closed. So I hope you found this tip useful. And for more WordPress tutorials, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks.